Okay. Clause number 325976, the state of Texas, excuse me, versus Felton Carrier.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? Mr. Carrier, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Carrier, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down, Mr. Carrier. How are you doing, Mr. Carrier?
All right.
Okay, Mr. Carrier, you're here represented by Attorney James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, you have an announcement for the court?
Yes, Your Honor. I have worked out an agreement with Ms. Musgrove in exchange for $342 restitution to Target. The state would file a motion to dismiss the case. What I'm asking the court for is 30 days for my client to pay the $342, and I will bring the receipts to the court ahead of time.
Okay, now, Mr. Carey, is 30 days enough time to give you, is there enough time for you to get the restitution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right,
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh,
all right, because we can give you a little bit more time if you need
you
it.
sure you don't want maybe to ask for a few, the judge is being very kind, just in case something
I
comes
mean,
up
what's
around.
out the holidays. then
Well, that's what I'm
Jeez.
saying.
Okay,
Maybe, Your Honor, maybe 45 days,
45 will be enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll reset it for 45
just to
days.
be safe, Your Honor. I
Right,
appreciate your
right,
consideration.
all right. Just get your reset, and you and your client will be free to go.
Scott, is it okay if you have to see about that?
Yes, Mr. Padgett, you have another case?
One of those seats with a little white.
Who's your next
Yes,
client?
Your Honor, I have
Yeah, I'll
Francis.
send you some.
Francis, Jordan Francis?
Okay, what we doing?
No, it's Francis Morrell. I'm sorry, Francis Morrell. It's an assault case, Your Honor.
Okay.
It's not gonna work out.
Mr. Okay, well, hold on. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call Francis Morrell,
Yeah. I'll carry you. How long?
45?
Thank you.
You just put whatever date you want. How about that? For being easy. This is another case that I've discussed.
Yes,
with
hold on a minute.
Ms. Musgrove.
Okay.
I do have a few that I'm waiting on. That's what the holdup is while she's gone.
Just that on.
Right here.
Ms. Morrell, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Morrell, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. We're on the record in cause number 326534, the state of Texas versus Francis Morrell. Mr. Morrell, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay, Ms. Morrell, put your mask over your nose and your mouth. Thank you. Ms. Morrell, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. James Padgett. Your case is on the announcement docket. Mr. Padgett, do you have an announcement for the
Yes, Your
court?
Honor, the case is going to be placed on your trial docket.
Reset it for
as I
trial?
discussed with
Okay.
Ms. Musgrove.
Okay, we're gonna give you a trial date.
I understand your policy, Your Honor. I'll explain that to my client.
Yeah, Chris, we under the COVID protocols right
I
now, so.
understand, Your Honor.
All right, just get your case reset and your client be free to go.
What page is that on?
5 at the bottom.
Thank you.
You've got several.
Yeah. If we start from, let me do this here.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, Membrace,
Yes, Your Honor.
call Isaiah Membrace
Yes, Your
on
Honor.
page 2.
Membrace is going to be reset as well for restitution. The state has to determine whether there's restitution on Mr. Membrace's case.
Okay,
And I discussed that with Ms. Musgrove, and that's
Okay.
her request.
okay.
So we'll be resetting that one
Oh,
also.
well, yeah, let's, we're gonna get him in first and then, you just need to get it on the record.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Gotta put your mask over your mouth and your nose. Mr., is that Isaiah
Ma'am, if you could just step right outside.
Membrace?
Yeah, step right outside. We'll do that.
Okay. Yes. For the record, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Membrace, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Now, your name is Isaiah Membrace.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Membrace?
Good. How about you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Membrace,
Yes, sir.
you are represented here by your attorney, Mr. James Paget. Your case is on the announcement docket. And we're gonna get an announcement from Mr. Paget on your case. Mr. Paget, you have an
Yes, Your
announcement?
Honor. On Mr. Members' case, we do have an issue that I'm working with on Ms. Musgrove. She also wants to check with the complaining witness to determine whether or not there's restitution on this case.
Okay,
I feel like we're going to be able to work the case.
okay. So we'll reset the case, give you an opportunity to further negotiate with the district attorney's office.
I think we're pretty close, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Mr. Membrace, your attorney, we'll get you reset and you'll be free to go.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, you are. Same to you.
Good.